S2V AI is a groundbreaking new AI software that's making waves in the digital marketing world. If you've been looking for the next big thing in automation and AI technology, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about S2V AI, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether this is the right tool for you. Right off the bat, you can try S2V AI completely free from the first link below, and believe me, you'll want to take advantage of that offer before it's gone. Now here's the thing with S2V AI. It's not just another generic tool. It's built to integrate seamlessly with your workflow. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or entrepreneur looking for more efficient ways to leverage AI in your operations. What makes S2V different is its unique approach to simplifying complex tasks, from automating customer engagement to data analysis, all in a few clicks. First off, S2V AI is incredibly intuitive. Even if you've never used AI tools before, the interface makes it easy to jump right in. You won't waste time trying to figure out how things work. Everything is laid out in a user-friendly dashboard, and the setup process is simple. But what really sets S2V AI apart is its ability to integrate multiple functions into a single platform. Instead of hopping from tool to tool, you can now manage everything within one interface. Whether you need to analyze your website's data, automate customer outreach, or generate content, S2V AI offers all of that without switching apps or paying for separate subscriptions. Another powerful feature of S2V AI is its deep learning capabilities. The software uses advanced machine learning algorithms to continuously improve itself based on your data. This means it gets smarter the more you use it, adapting to your needs over time. It's like having a personal assistant who constantly learns and grows with your business, saving you valuable time and effort. S2V AI also boasts an impressive level of customization. You're not just stuck with default settings or templates. You can tailor the software to your specific needs, from setting up custom workflows to adjusting the AI's behavior for more precise results. Whether you're running Facebook ads, crafting email campaigns, or optimizing your SEO strategy, S2V AI can adapt to your unique business requirements. One of the biggest selling points is its speed. In today's fast-paced world, every second counts, and S2V AI delivers rapid results. You can get real-time insights and analytics that help you make data-driven decisions without the wait. Plus, the automation features allow you to scale your marketing efforts while cutting down on manual work. A key feature that many users rave about is the software's versatility. It doesn't just cater to one niche or industry. It's designed for a wide range of businesses, from e-commerce to local service providers. No matter what kind of digital marketing you're doing, S2V AI can streamline processes and help you work smarter, not harder. Lastly, S2V AI offers top-notch customer support. In case you run into any issues, the team is responsive and ready to help, ensuring that you're not left stranded. This is especially important when you're relying on an AI tool for your business operations. Having access to support ensures that any hiccups along the way won't slow you down. If you're looking for a tool that can streamline your marketing tasks, automate your workflow, and give you real-time insights, S2V AI is one of the best options you can find in 2025. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this is one of the few that truly delivers value. Check out the first link in the description to try S2V AI for free. And if you're curious about other great AI tools, you can find my recommended list of AI software to try in the description as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other software reviews I've done. I've got plenty of insights for you. See you in the next one.